Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to an epic journey into the realm of content creation. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you an advanced technique that will revolutionize the way you produce videos. We're delving deep into the world of Chatgpt and uncovering its immense potential for crafting comprehensive and captivating video scripts. Get ready to elevate your content game to new heights. Let's dive in. Alright, content creators, buckle up because we're about to embark on an exhilarating adventure. Our mission? To transform a simple idea into a polished and engaging video script. And our secret weapon? Chatgpt, the ultimate AI assistant for content creators. Let's kick things off by selecting a topic. For this demonstration, let's dive into the world of peptides. I found a transcript filled with valuable insights about peptides, and we're going to harness the power of Chatgpt to turn it into compelling video content. Copy the transcript and paste it into Chatgpt. Now, let's put Chatgpt to work. Our first task? Generating attention-grabbing video titles. By analyzing the transcript, Chatgpt will provide us with a list of compelling titles that will entice viewers to click. But we're not stopping there. We want our titles to stand out from the crowd. So, let's ask Chatgpt to sprinkle some magic and add an extra layer of curiosity and intrigue to our titles. With our irresistible titles locked in, it's time to dive deeper into the content. Let's select a few titles and ask Chatgpt to craft short video scripts for them. These scripts will serve as the foundation for our videos, providing a roadmap for our storytelling journey. But wait, there's more. We're not done yet. Let's ask Chatgpt to work its magic once again and generate compelling video descriptions for each title. These descriptions will serve as the bait, enticing viewers to dive into our videos and discover more. And just like that, with Chatgpt by our side, we've transformed a simple transcript into a treasure trove of captivating content. From attention-grabbing titles to engaging scripts and enticing descriptions, Chatgpt has helped us craft a comprehensive video package that's ready to dazzle our audience. So, my fellow content creators, are you ready to unleash the full potential of Chatgpt and take your video content to the next level? With Chatgpt as your AI assistant, the sky is the limit. If you found this tutorial helpful and inspiring, don't forget to show some love by smashing that like button and sharing it with your fellow creators. And subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining me on this epic journey of content creation mastery. Until next time, keep creating and keep innovating. Thanks for watching. and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Have a nice day.